Hi guys, so this is the end of week 5, enjoying the lovely British summer as you can see, and here. Okay, so the front, nothing much has changed, but we're at the sort of painting stage now. Let's get out of the rain. And then after that will be carpeting. Let me quickly turn it around and we'll go through it again. Okay, so walls are done. Everything's starting to take shape and you can actually see everything, which is very nice. What's done in the end here, there was, I think I posted something on social media last week. There was a bit of plastering there, so what the builder's done is he's put another set of wallpaper on there. I think that's probably where it goes from up to, as you can see, and then painted over it, so everything's kind of blended in now. If we can, next time we're just going to take off the wallpaper, skim it, and then paint it, so just there's no wallpaper in the house. Alright, carpeting. We're going to put carpeting throughout the house. I think this one's going to be grey for the bedrooms. Done this floor, I think we're going to leave, we're just going to put underlay and then carpet on top of the floor. The counter's in, a bit dark, unfortunately. Okay, we need to fill that gap up, and then put the carpet in there.
Hi.
Videoing. Right, hallway. As you can see, this is going to be storage. On this one, we're going to have to take all this off right here, and then put vinyl here and vinyl there. As you can see, we're just sanding down the tops and then repainting them. Grey carpet here, I think grey vinyl here. Sorry, thank you. There's no light. There'll be obviously grey carpeting here, but it'll be a different type of carpet, something a bit more durable for the sort of high traffic areas. Bathroom number 2, actually pretty decent. Looking good so far. Although, you know, given the size of the bathroom, it does appear to be the world's most narrow cubicle. So something to keep in mind for the next one. And here, this is a really nice room. So it's got the counter. The walls look great. So we did originally go for like a pebble type magnolia-ish type colour, but I felt it was a bit too dark, so we've gone over it basically and went for the white again. I know it's a bit boring, but boring is sometimes good, because maintenance, you know, help keep maintenance costs down. Also, when tenants move their things in, the place will look quite cluttered, so having white canvas would be quite good. I think this vinyl we're going to leave as it is for now. Carpet in here. So this was a sort of dodgy magnolia colour, but now it's all white, as you can see. And then the final one there, and then we're going to put carpeting right here as well. So just a quick chat about the carpeting. We had the first quote I had was about 3,700, I think, and that included underlay clippers, but they didn't include screeding. And I think he needed a 1 week lead time. And then I had another quote in from another gentleman, Paul and Richard, the floorman. We've used them before actually. Their quote came in at 2,400, I think, so about $1,000 less, which is, you know, it's quite a lot of money. We've used them before. We used them at our previous property, so that was we know what we're expecting. It was actually good quality service, good quality carpeting. Again, they include everything. They would also do the screeding as well downstairs, which is actually quite a good service if you think about it. It saves us a lot of time, saves me having to get the builders to do it themselves. And they can actually potentially do that this weekend or Monday, Tuesday, which means that once it's done, they can come in straight away, and then we can get the furnitures in, and everything will work, and it will all be done in time. So we're not having to, there's not a lot of dead space waiting around for people to come and do things. So that was quite a good result. I'll make sure I'll post up their contact details in the description in case you're in Birmingham and you like to use them. So far, I mean, the service has been really good. As I said, I've used them before. I've also used the other company before, but it just seems that for HMOs, Paul and Richard, the flooring guys, seem to be much better. Okay, hopefully that's been useful. I think the next video will be when the carpeting is in. That's when the house would pretty much be done, and then it's just the furniture. So I'll do another video when the carpet's in, and then another video once the furniture is in and the dressing is in. So that'll be like the final video. Okay, all right, take care, bye.